In this quick guide, I'll show you how to DocuSign an email step by step. If this helps, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple tutorials. First, open your email inbox and locate the message that contains the document you need to sign. Make sure it's the correct email before proceeding. Once you've found it, open the email and look for a button or link that says something like Review Document. Click it and you'll be taken directly into the DocuSign interface. Inside DocuSign, review the document carefully to ensure all details are correct. When you're ready to sign, click on the designated signature field. You can type your name, draw your signature, or even upload an image of your signature. Choose whichever works best for you. After placing your signature, click Finish or Complete. DocuSign will notify all parties that the document has been signed, and you can also download a copy for your records. That's it, you've successfully DocuSigned an email. No printing, scanning, or faxing needed.